For you to see a sous vide method of cooking sirloin. I did do a great big ribeye last year, but you are going to need some specialist equipment. This is my sous vide. I've got a big pan of water. That's going to go in to heat it up. I use the Anova, and you'll need a vac seal machine. I salted my steak yesterday on all sides. If you haven't done that, season it now before you start cooking it, and I am going to add a little bit of pepper also. It's going to go, I have a vac seal bag, but it was very big, so I've actually cut a piece off. I'm going to put this in here. I've got 2 sprigs of rosemary. You can use thyme. I'm going to put 1 on each side. I'm not putting any oil in. I don't think it needs it. I'm going to put half a fat garlic clove on one side and half on the other, and then I'm going to vac seal that. You don't really want any liquid in here because these domestic vac seal machines don't handle liquid very well. That's sealed. For medium rare, I'm heating my water bath to 54 degrees, but if you want rare, heat it to 52 degrees. This piece of meat I've got is just slightly over 500 grams. It's about 5 centimetres across. It's going to take 2¼ hours in the sous vide, so it's come up to temperature. I'm just going to drop it in. Forget about it. These machines, it's all operated. You can do it all from your phone. Obviously I can't show you because I'm filming on my phone, but it's a fantastic make ahead for a dinner party. The film after this, I'm also going to make my cloud potatoes, and all of that can be made ahead as well. See you in 2½ hours. Remove your steak. I've removed my steak from the water bath. You can either cook it straight away, but before you do that, if you want to cook it straight away, you want to pat it dry all over. Oh, that smells good. Remove the bits of herbs and garlic. So if you're cooking it straight away, pat it dry all over. I'm not going to cook it straight away. I'm actually going to put mine in the fridge. I'm going to let it cool. Then I'm going to, it's not very hot, I'm going to put it in the fridge and cook it later. This is why it's so great for Get Ahead, because it could be a very quick cook at the end. To actually just cook the steak prior to service, it's not going to need long, probably 45 seconds on each side, but I am going to render the fat, so I've got a pan on quite a high heat, medium high. I'm going to put this in, skin side down. It's going to be smoky, you might need to put a fan on. Just to help it, add either some oil, or you can use duck fat or beef dripping. I've got some of my gorgeous schmaltz. So the fat is beautifully rendered. I'm now going to cook this for maybe 40 seconds on each side. 40 seconds on each side and the fat rendered. Leave that to rest. It won't need long to rest because it's been sous vide, but you can just leave it while you prepare everything else for however you're going to have it. Enjoy.